Hi, it's Dr. Frank here from Greenectra. I did not expect that such detailed information could be explained in such a clear and compact way. Well, this is feedback we got on the BattXcel Pro, but not from anyone, from battery researchers at a leading Scandinavian technical university, NTNU in Trondheim. Crazy good, right? You can read yourself, I put the link in the description. Here's the thing. In battery tech, knowledge gaps turn into real technical problems. Often, the biggest risk isn't not knowing, it's thinking you know more than you actually do. Not because anyone is arrogant, but because battery science is just that complex. In energy storage, that gap can cost you money, time, and way too often safety. That's why we built BattXcel Pro to bridge theory and the real world. Take battery aging or heat production during operation, for example. We go PhD level deep here, because precision is critical. In other areas, we don't need the same depth. Instead, we focus on teaching a ton of practical experience, and this is why so many top experts contributed through technical interviews directly into the program. Their insights are real-world insights you won't find elsewhere, precisely filtered for technical core understanding. Combined with the lectures, this gives you relevance you can't get from textbooks or any scattered online sources. BattXcel Pro is open for enrollment. It's CPD accredited and you can start today. Whether you're just starting out or leveling up your existing knowledge, this is your path to applied knowledge with real academic precision. If PhD students and postdocs, people who already know a ton, learned that much from BattXcel Pro, how much can you learn? Level up your battery skills, guys. The future of green energy storage depends on that.